During the course of this video, we're going to show you how to set up the system parameters, set up a ground bond test, connect a 2630 tester, one of the testers in the 2600 series, to a device under test, also known as a DUT. Run the test and view test results. Don't forget to visit our website at www.hypot.com to find out more information on electrical safety testing. First, you'll need to power up your 2630 tester. Check to be sure the correct input line voltage has been selected on the rear panel, either 115 volts AC or 230 volts AC. You'll also need to insert the remote interlock key into the 9-pin signal input terminal on the rear panel of the 2630. The tester will not output voltage unless this interlock key is properly plugged into the signal input. This allows the user to wire pins 4 and 5 up to the doors of a DUT enclosure for an extra measure of operator safety. A DUT enclosure provides a means of positive protection for the test operator. Connect the power input plug into its socket on the rear panel of the tester. Connect the male end of the plug to the outlet receptacle. Now, turn on the power switch on the front panel of the 2630. On the startup screen, you will see the slaughter company name, model number, and firmware version. From here, the tester will automatically navigate to the Perform Test screen. The Perform Test screen displays 5 parameters: status indicator, memory number, test time, test current, resistance limit. First, we're going to set up an AC ground bond test. From the main screen, press the Set key. You will now see the memory parameter on the display. This indicates that you are now editing the memory parameter. Use the up and down arrow keys to select the memory number for the test. You can set this value anywhere from 1 to 5. This allows you to set up to 5 separate ground bond tests on your 2600 series tester. When your memory has been selected, press the Set key again to navigate to the next parameter. Use the up and down arrow keys to change your parameter values and the Set key to accept and navigate to the next parameter. Eventually, you will reach the offset parameter. The offset feature allows you to negate lead resistance from your ground bond reading. This is designed to help you avoid any false failures by causing your resistance value to go above your resistance high limit. You can set the offset in 2 ways. You can manually change the numeric value by using the up and down arrow keys. You can set a maximum of 100 milliohm offset. You can also automatically set the offset value by simply pressing the test button. In order to automatically set the offset, make sure that the current and return leads are shorted together. This ensures that only the lead resistance will be subtracted from your reading. Once you are finished setting all test parameters, press the Exit key to return to the Perform Test screen. Finally, we're going to show you how to connect the 2630 to a DUT and run the test sequence we have set up. To connect the 2630 to the DUT, you're going to need the following accessories: the ground return clip lead, the high current clip lead. If using the optional universal style adapter box instead of the clip style leads, you will need the adapter box. First, connect the return lead to the return terminal of the 2630 tester. Unscrew the return terminal and place the return lead lug over the exposed conductor on the return terminal. Screw the return terminal back in to tighten the connection. Next, connect the red high current lead in the same fashion as the return lead. If you're using the universal style adapter box instead of the clip leads, first connect the return clip lead to the return terminal. Then, connect the adapter box to the current terminal. You will not need to connect the white Alden style lead, as this is only used for high voltage testing. Connect the return lead to the chassis of the DUT. Finally, connect the high current lead to the ground wire. You are now ready to run your test sequence. If using the adapter box, simply plug the product's 3-pronged line cord into the adapter box and connect the return lead to the chassis of the DUT. Close the DUT enclosure door, stand back, and push the Test button to run your test sequence. Once your test sequence has completed, press the up and down arrow keys to review your results.